Hello, it's Lucky English, and today I'm going to tell you about the difference between do and make. Listen carefully and follow us. We use do to talk about three categories. The first is work, jobs and tasks. Do the homework, do the housework, do a good job, do your chores. We also use it for non-specific tasks. Do something, anything, do nothing and do everything. And when you can replace the verb when it's obvious. Do your hair, do the dishes, do the exam, do the laundry. And we use make to talk about 5 different categories, the first of which is to talk about the origin of a material. Made of gold, made from grapes, made in Germany, made by me. The second is about plans and decisions. Make a decision, make a choice, make a plan, make an arrangement. The third is speaking about sounds. Make a noise, make a speech, make a suggestion, make a comment. The fourth category is food and drinks and meals. Make a cake, make breakfast, lunch and dinner. Make a cup of tea or coffee. And the last one is producing of reactions. Make you smile, make you sleepy, make you happy, make your eyes water.